Subscribe at KiddiZoo for more fun videos. Smartest animals, names and sounds for kids. Chimpanzees. They can learn to use tools and communicate with sign language. Dolphins. They use a complex system of vocalization and echolocation to communicate and navigate. Elephants. They have excellent memory and can recognize themselves in a mirror. Orcas. They are highly social and have been observed using coordinated hunting strategies. Octopuses. They are intelligent and can solve problems using their flexible arms. Parrots. They can mimic human speech and have a high level of social intelligence. Ravens. They are known for their problem-solving abilities and use tools to obtain food. Dogs. They can understand human emotions and can be trained to perform a wide variety of tasks. Pigs. They have excellent memories and can solve complex problems. Orangutans. They are known for their tool use, social intelligence, and problem-solving abilities. Rats. They are intelligent and have been trained to detect landmines and tuberculosis. Horses. They have a high level of emotional intelligence and can communicate with humans. Squirrels. They can remember the locations of thousands of nuts and seeds that they have buried. Honeybees. They have complex social structures and are able to communicate the location of food sources to other bees. Gorillas. They can communicate with sign language and have been observed using tools in the wild. Sheep. They are able to recognize and remember the faces of other sheep and humans. Cats. They have excellent hearing and vision and are skilled hunters. Subscribe at KiddiZoo for more fun videos.